Imagine biting into your favorite meal, only to discover it might come with an unwanted side of health risks. Welcome to the hidden world of restaurant health inspections. In Orange County, a recent batch of inspections has revealed a mix of sparkling clean spots and those with serious issues, sparking debates about food safety standards. Let's dive into the details from October's reports, released by the Orange County Health Department, and explore what this means for diners like you. But here's where it gets controversial. Are these inspections truly catching all the problems, or could some eateries be slipping through the cracks despite the checks? Out of a total of 43 health inspections carried out in Orange County over the past month, 8 establishments were flagged for critical violations that needed immediate fixes, 25 came through with no violations at all, and 17 still had unresolved issues left over from earlier visits. This snapshot highlights the ongoing efforts to ensure public health in places where food is prepared and served. For context, New York State boasts over 90,000 food service establishments, as detailed on health.ny.gov. These inspections cover a wide range of venues, from bustling restaurants and quiet cafes to public spaces like schools, nursing homes, and even private events with on-site kitchens. It's a comprehensive process aimed at protecting everyone who eats out or relies on these services. Given the sheer number of spots checked last month, we've spotlighted a selection of the top performers and those with the most notable violations below. Remember, you can always dig deeper by searching current and past New York State health inspection reports on data.recordonline.com. This tool empowers you to make informed choices about where to grab a bite. Now, let's look at some Orange County eateries that racked up the most health violations during this period. Keep in mind that critical violations demand on-the-spot corrections to prevent immediate risks, while non-critical ones allow for fixes within a set time frame. Here's the rundown. New Windsor Coach Diner, located at 351 Windsor Highway in New Windsor. Inspected on October 15, 2025, they had 7 violations in total, 3 critical, 4 non-critical, and none carried over from prior checks. For the full details, click here to view the specific violations. Yobo Oriental Restaurant, at 1297 Route 300 in Newburgh. Their October 16, 2025 inspection noted 7 violations, 2 critical, 5 non-critical, with no unfixed issues from before. Dive into the specifics by visiting this link. BJ's Deli Cafe, situated on 174 Broadway in Newburgh. On October 15, 2025, inspectors found 4 violations, all non-critical, and nothing outstanding from previous visits. Check out the full report here. Umi Hot Pot Sushi and Seafood Buffet, at 360 Route 211 East in Middletown. Inspected October 14, 2025, with 3 violations total, 2 critical and 1 non-critical, all new. See the exact findings via this link. Outback Steakhouse No. 3313, located at 215 Larkin Drive in Monroe. Their October 15, 2025 check revealed 3 violations, 1 critical and 2 non-critical, with no carryovers. Full details are available here. QQ Asian Bistro, on 367 Windsor Highway in New Windsor. Inspected on October 15, 2025, it had 3 violations, 1 critical, 2 non-critical, and nothing unfixed. Click here for the inspection notes. Panda Restaurant, at 266 Quasake Avenue in New Windsor. On October 17, 2025, they reported 3 violations, all non-critical, with no previous issues unresolved. View the specifics here. Francesca's Pizzeria and Restaurant, situated at 201 Ward Street in Montgomery. Their October 14, 2025 inspection flagged 2 violations, both critical, and no carryovers. See the full list by following this link. Tin Tin Chinese Restaurant, on 68 Millpond Parkway in Monroe. Inspected October 15, 2025, with 2 violations, 1 critical and 1 non-critical, nothing outstanding. Check out the details here. Antojitos Tex-Mex, at 779 Broadway in Newburgh. On October 15, 2025, inspectors noted 2 violations, 1 critical and 1 non-critical, with no unfixed prior ones. Full report available here. On the flip side, here are some Orange County eateries that sailed through their inspections with flawless records last month, no infractions whatsoever. These spots demonstrate that top-notch hygiene is achievable and worth celebrating. Daxon Chinese Restaurant, located at 78 Oak Street in Walden. Inspected on October 14, 2025, with 0 violations across the board. Ready to see the clean bill of health? Click here. Lo Nuestro Mexican Bistro, at 180 Monhagen Avenue in Middletown. Their October 14, 2025 check showed no violations at all. Full transparency in this link. Montgomery Elementary School, situated on 141 Union Street in Montgomery. Inspected October 14, 2025, with a perfect score. Details here. Urban Air Crystal Run, at 1 Galleria Drive in Middletown. On October 14, 2025, it had 0 issues. Explore the report via this link. Tres Leches Deli and Bakery, located at 113 Orange Avenue in Walden. Inspected October 14, 2025, flawlessly. See for yourself here. Hudson View Cafe, Fuel for Life at Kaplan Hall, on 1 Washington Center in Newburgh. Their October 14, 2025 inspection was spotless. Full info here. Resorts World Hudson Valley, at 1401 Route 300, Suite A120 in Newburgh. Inspected October 14, 2025, with no violations. Check the details here. Starbucks Coffee, situated at 511 Route 211 in Middletown. On October 14, 2025, it passed perfectly. Link to the report here. Wingstop, at 400 Route 211 East Suite 21 in Middletown. Inspected October 14, 2025, with 0 flags. See the results here. Popeyes, located at 330 Windsor Highway in New Windsor. Their October 15, 2025 check was flawless. Full details available here. And this is the part most people miss. Understanding the difference between critical and non-critical violations can empower you as a consumer. Critical violations, often marked in red, deal with serious issues like the quality and handling of food sources, proper cooking and storage temperatures, hygiene practices among staff, clean water and sewage systems, pest control around food, and the safe use of chemicals. These must be fixed right on the spot because they're directly linked to risks of foodborne illnesses, such as Salmonella or E. coli outbreaks. Non-critical ones, sometimes called blue violations, focus on less urgent matters that don't pose immediate health threats but could affect the overall running of the place, like upkeep, design flaws, or general cleanliness. These get a grace period for correction, as determined by the inspector. Importantly, in New York State, inspections don't boil down to a simple pass or fail, they're about identifying and addressing potential problems to keep everyone safe. Now, how frequently do these checks happen in Orange County? It all depends on the risk level of the establishment and its past compliance record. High-risk spots, such as full-service restaurants, diners, and school kitchens where complex processes like advanced preparation, reheating, or cooling occur, get inspected twice a year. Medium-risk ones, like those serving simpler fare such as pizza, burgers, or sandwiches, undergo checks once annually. Low-risk venues, including bars and coffee shops with minimal food prep, are reviewed every other year. To standardize this statewide, inspectors receive training from the New York State Department of Health. If you're curious about your local health department, head over to health.ny.gov for county-specific contacts. What if you spot something off at a restaurant? The local health department handles enforcement. If you suspect an establishment is unclean or breaking rules, report it to the Orange County Health Department for a prompt investigation. Simply file a complaint through this link, https://www.health.ny.gov/environmental/indoors/